This is amazing. I get choked up. I think something like this could save a life very easily.
Hello, this is Brett Smith of SafeSight Exploration. We're here at the CME, the Canadian Mining Exhibition in Timmins, Ontario. While we're here, we'll be speaking to numerous individuals throughout the industry and getting their feedback on our technology and our advancements in mine rescue. Let's hear what they got to say.
Brett, I gotta tell you, you reinvented the wheel. You really did.
It's amazing how technology's come forward. I think you guys are offering an amazing product. So much rather put in a machine rather than a body. And I mean, this is amazing.
I'm so impressed with this wheel idea on the stretcher. Part of my MSHA refresher training was to go through a safety training. He impressed upon me and everybody in the class how important it is that you be able to say exactly where a miner's at and exactly what's going on. And he talked about the amount of time that it takes for him to suit up, get in his buggy, get into the mine, get to that person, and how every second matters. This is amazing. I get choked up. I can't wait to tell him about this wheel. This mine had a gentleman have a heart attack a few months ago. Luckily, he lived. And I think something like this could save a life very easily.
Seeing like the safety and how people put safety first now is actually quite awesome. My dad's been in this industry for like a long time and everybody in my family, so this is really nice to see that someone's actually stepping up putting safety first.
I wish this technology would have existed a long time ago. We could have maybe saved a few canaries.
There we go.